Hey guys, I'm out here in beautiful Inman, South Carolina, Spartanburg County on Lake Bowen, and I'm so excited to show you my new listing, 176 Zimmerman Drive. And look at these stunning views of the water from your living room, dining room, and even your kitchen. I love this cozy living room with your views of the water and your beautiful stone fireplace with gas logs. Okay, so one of the best things about this property is its outdoor space. So you've got a deck out the back of the house, you've got a couple of different landings, great places for outdoor entertainment. But what I love about this house is the location on the lake. So you're right off of the main lake, but you're tucked back in a little quiet cove. So the cove is great for swimming, kayaking, playing with the kids and the dogs, but you're also on deep water. So this is perfect for boating, jet skiing, and this property has a gorgeous covered boat dock. And this could be your new favorite place to drink your morning coffee because you got a sunrise right over here over the lake. So a couple of other things about this house as well. Within the last year, we've got a brand new roof and we've got a brand new HVAC. This house is ready for its new owners.